This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Gateway. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get an 8-digit backup code for your Gmail account. This is a crucial step for account recovery and ensuring you never get locked out from your account. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail login page. Okay, enter your email. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner and select Manage your Google account. Now navigate to the Security tab on the left slide bar. This section manages your all security settings and recovery options. Scroll down to the signing into Google. Okay. Here you will see options for two-step verification and other security settings. Click on two-step verification. You might be prompted to enter your password again for security purpose. Go ahead and do that. Once you are in the two-step verification settings, scroll down to the section labeled Backup Codes. Click on it. These are essential for assessing your account if you have ever lost access to your primary verification method. It's a good idea to download or print these codes and keep them in safe place. You can use each code only once, so if you use one, generate the new set of codes by clicking on Get New Code. Okay, first let's see how to print these codes. Click on Print Codes. If you have a printer, choose your printer. Otherwise, you can select Save as PDF and click on Save. Click on Save button. Okay, as you see, our backup codes are downloaded. Second, if you want to download code, click on Download Codes. As we discussed earlier, you can use each code only once. So if you use all codes, generate a new set of codes by clicking on this button, Get Set of Backup Codes. If you get new backup codes and old ones you have left will be unusable. Now click on Get New Codes. Okay, new backup codes have been created. If you want to delete these codes, click on this icon. Delete backup codes. You would not be able to use these backup codes to sign in. Okay. If you want to delete, click OK. Otherwise, click on cancel. Okay. And that's it. You have successfully obtaining your 8-digit backup codes. Remember, these codes are safety net to help you regain access to your account in case of any emergency. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. If you have any question or need further assistance, leave the comment below. Thanks for watching and see you again in next video. Bye.